Today I will unbox and test a 4-port USB charger and a USB-C to Lightning cable from Syncwire. Both these two are from Syncwire. So let's start by unboxing the 4-port USB charger. So let's see the box first. As you can see there, a 4-port USB charger. It says that it's designed for USA, UK and EU. And this one has a 4-port with a total of 34 watt. 2 ports for 2.4 ampere and 2 ports for 1 ampere. And all 4 ports are USB-A. So let's start by unboxing and open this box. Pretty ordinary box. Here we have a user guide. Here we have the charging brick itself. But let's check that out later on. And here we have some different adapters for the power brick. And here we have the one that I will use, that one for the EU. This is the one I will use. That's what's in the box. So let's check out the power brick itself. Let's remove this plastic. Not the easiest way to remove this. And you can search for Syncwire on Amazon for all these different gadgets and stuff. They have a lot of cool, great stuff on Amazon. So search for Syncwire and see for yourself. You will find 2 links to the Amazon store down below in the description text where I found this. So this plug is for US, I think. So I need to remove that and plug in the European version. Let's remove this plastic. A lot of plastic on these. Not the easiest way to remove. Not fun at all. Okay. I don't see how to remove that, but let's click that on the power brick. As you saw, quite easy to do. Nice. Now it stays there. Good. So this is the one I will use. And as you can see here, we have 2 ports for 2.4 ampere and 2 ports for 1 ampere. So you can charge 4 devices at the same time for at the most 34 watt in total. That's really nice. Not the smallest I've seen though, but this could be a really good traveling charger to have always with me and charge 4 different devices at the same time. That's awesome actually. I like that. So this will we test now, but before we do that I will unbox the USB-C to Lightning cable first. As you can see, I can't use the USB-C to Lightning cable on this one, but I will try it out in this video anyway. So here we have a USB-C to Lightning cable from Syncwire, and it's 2 meter long, 6.5 feet. Really cool. Supports PD fast charging and works with iPhone, iPad and iPod. Let's open the box. As we can see here, you can see different devices that it's meant for. For example, my iPhone XS Max, as you can see there. Nice. And I like that it's 2 meter long. That's really great to have. And here we have some warranty from Syncwire, as you can see. That's nice to have. And once again, you can search for Syncwire, of course, on the Amazon store to find all these different gadgets they sell. They have a lot. And here we have a user guide. So that's what's in the box. Let's see the cable itself. Straps, I don't like them, but necessary for this packaging. Let's remove the straps, and here we have the cable. Feels really nice, this braided silver kind of cable. And here we have some kind of strap to carry this easier in the bag, for example. So 2 meter long and feels really good. The quality of this is very, very high. Very, very high. I can feel that. So let's try this to see if it works. So I have now plugged the USB-C end of this cable into a USB-C hub. Now I will plug this lightning end into my Apple AirPods Pro to see if it works. And as you can see, it works. Start charging my Apple AirPods Pro. I can't show you how to charge my iPhone because that is the one I'm recording this video with. But of course it will work with that too if it works with the Apple AirPods Pro. I can highly recommend Syncwire's cable. They have a very high build quality. Really high build quality. So I can highly recommend Syncwire cables. Check them out on Amazon. Very good. So now I will test this 4-port USB hub. So I have actually found 4 gadgets that I can charge with this 4-port power charger from Syncwire. As you can see, when you have plugged it into the power, you have a small blue LED that is lighting up. So if we now plug the first one in, we plug in a cable for my Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Plus and see if it charges. And then we plug it into one 2.4 ampere port to see if the PD charging works. Sadly though, I see now that my Galaxy Note 10 Plus is 100% already, sadly so. But let's try anyway, if it starts charging. Fully charged it says, but it says it's charged anyway, as you can see there. But maybe we start with something else. We can plug in a monitor lamp I have. Then we plug it into the 1 ampere port because that doesn't need more power. And as you can see, it turns on. So now we have the monitor lamp on again. And now we can charge my ebook reader from Kobo. So let's find a cable for that one. It needs a micro USB cable. So this one doesn't need so much power either. So I plug that one into a 1 ampere port. And then I plug this in to the ebook reader like so. And now it charges. That's nice. So that one can also charge. Now we have the Apple AirPods Pro left to charge. And then we have a USB type A to Lightning cable to plug into 2.4 ampere. I don't think the AirPods needs so much power either, so you could have it in a 1 ampere too if you want. Plug this in like this. So now we charge 4 different devices. Not yet, because I have this unplugged again, the Note 10 Plus. So let's charge that like so, and it says fully charged. So now from this Syncwire power brick, we charge 4 devices with 4 cables. We charge one monitor lamp. We charge the Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Plus, and we charge the Apple AirPods Pro, and we charge the Kobo e-reader, all at the same time from one wall power plug. I can highly recommend this if you travel much and so on and have a lot of gadgets to charge when you are away. And you need to have all the cables with you too, of course, but you need only one power plug, and that's nice. So you can charge 4 with the same plug. For example, hotels and so doesn't have so many wall plugs, so sometimes you don't find so many you need. So this one only needs one, and then you can charge all your devices. That's great. So go check Syncwire out on Amazon, please. Please like this video. Bye.